What is CNC machine automation? CNC machine automation refers to the use of computer control to automate machining operations in manufacturing. Modern CNC machines have evolved from punched paper tape to using digital instructions from CAD or CAM systems, which employ G-code to automate production. First, in terms of efficiency, CNC machines reduce material waste and production costs by operating continuously for consistent productivity. Second, speed. Automating CNC machines significantly reduces production time, which is crucial for time-critical industries. CNC machines ensure critical consistency by producing large quantities of identical, precise products. Thirdly, consistency and capacity. CNC machines ensure critical consistency by producing identical products with precise, repeatable results. Finally, safety and simplicity. CNC automation reduces risks by minimizing human intervention, allowing safe handling of hazardous materials. CNC machines are highly adaptable and capable of performing a wide range of tasks. CNC Milling Machines. Highly versatile CNC machines perform operations like drilling and contouring, making them popular in industries such as aerospace and automotive for machining complex shapes with tight tolerances. CNC Lathe Machines are ideal for precision machining of cylindrical parts and are widely used in industries like automotive, firearms, and musical instrument manufacturing. CNC Drilling and Milling Machines drill holes for screws and are used in industries such as shipbuilding, engineering, and woodworking. In the long run, CNC machine automation can reduce labor costs. However, it also brings about the automation of manual operations. Skilled operators remain an indispensable part of the production process.